Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to turn on the Energy Saver feature in Chrome on your PC when your battery is at 20% or lower. Enabling this feature can help conserve battery life and extend your browsing time. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Performance in the Settings menu. Step 5. Under the Power section, you will find the option to Turn on only when my battery is at 20% or lower. Click on it to enable this energy-saving feature. By activating the Energy Saver mode in Chrome when your battery is low, you can ensure that unnecessary processes are minimized, helping to conserve power and extend your battery life. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.